Picture this. A sudden hailstorm batters Minneapolis and you spot shattered shingles on your roof. Meet Sarah, a busy homeowner juggling work, family, and bills, staring anxiously out her kitchen window. She wonders, can I afford to wait? But here's the catch. Delaying a professional roof inspection after hail damage doesn't save money. It can double your repair costs. That dripping ceiling stain you ignore, it's a ticking time bomb. Escalating quickly in just days. In Minneapolis, storms can transform minor damage into major water issues. Faster than you think. Now imagine spotting a friendly technician from Advanced Exteriors pulling up just in time. They offer a professional inspection and an honest estimate, turning panic into confidence. With their expertise, Sarah's stress fades as she protects her home and wallet. Don't let a delay cost you thousands. If hail strikes, act fast. Call Advanced Exteriors for your free inspection today. Safeguard your Minneapolis home.